Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question what's the largest free cloud storage in 2022. I have done a little bit of research. I'm always covering a little bit this topic or similar topics, and at the moment I can tell you that's the terabox, and as far as I know it's currently available on Android, iOS, Windows. Here we are on Android, so we can go to the Play Store and search for terabox. And so we find it here. It's very easy to install. You can see it has a lot of very good reviews, and that's for a reason. It comes already with a lot of features in the free version, so we are going to install that here. And so in the meantime we have installed the terabox now on Android. We can open it here, and you don't even have to make your own account. You can directly sign in with your Google account or Facebook. Just takes a couple of seconds, and then for example we can enable automatic backup. Of course we have to give authorization. Then we get the option to already upgrade to premium. Skip for the moment. Then you get a nice explanation of what you can do. Is the file transfer here on top. Down here we can check for the uploaded files, and so we are already here and ready to start with everything. And you can see it's already backing up. We have our files. I can click on my files or album, video, and already start to share. It's everything here. You can go to terabox.com as well, and then you see this overview. By the way, I'll put down all the links which you need down into the description, so you don't have to write it down. So here we have a nice overview about the features, especially comparison of the free and premium version, and you can see that already in the free version you get definitely 1 terabyte for free, but it has some limitations. There are only 500 files allowed. There is a maximum video playback resolution of 720p, maximum file size of 4 gigabytes, and so on and so on. So what I definitely highly recommend is go to the premium, and then you get even 2 terabytes, not only 1 terabyte, and you get also ultra fast downloads. You get original quality video backup up to 50,000 files. That's huge. You can see also here maximum video playback resolution, very high. That's what you really want. 720p is acceptable somehow, but you can see it's a huge difference. This is something where you can really work with. The free version is nice to try and see, back up a couple of things. You can also use it to upload and share, then you get some experience. But if you really want to work it on the long term, then I highly recommend to go to the premium. It's still much cheaper than most of the other solutions, and what I really love is that we have a 2 terabyte, which is huge, but there's a hard limit of 2 terabytes and not more. If you accidentally try to upload more, there's zero risk of a high charge for overage, and this could happen with a lot of cloud services. You have to be really careful, and so this solves this very nicely. We can already try and see this window client. This is the thing, you will get also for free the Windows client. Here on the left side we have normal Windows Explorer, on the right side we have the terabox, and especially in the premium version you can select a lot of files here and then just drag and drop them to the right side. So you can see that here we can go to the transfer and see what happens, and you can see that it's really uploading very fast, at least as fast as the settings allow, and my internet access, which of course is not super fast. We can also go to the settings, which is absolutely amazing. Then limited transfer speed. This is something which is very hard to find in any cloud solution, and this really works. I've tested this, and so this makes sure that it doesn't block the whole internet access. So this is absolutely amazing what you have here in this Windows client. You can upload and download and search, and you have also different categories for all kind of different files like videos and pictures and other files. And on top of that we have even the free browser version. So we have the free mobile clients, we have the Windows desktop client, and we have the browser version. So we have 3 different options to access, upload, download and share your files. And while we are uploading, we can refresh, and then we start already see the files here which we uploaded through the desktop version, and you can see it works really fast. We can open such images, close them again. You can see how fast this works with the built-in picture player and video player. We can scan through all the stuff which you have been uploading, and you have a lot of functions here. Can create new folder, share, download, delete, rename, and it has also a recycle bin, something which is very important. Some clouds don't provide these things, so we have almost a full function here on all the clients and even on the browser. And so after everything has been uploaded, I mean, you can see that's a really large video file, 181 megabytes already uploaded. You can double click on that and it almost immediately starts playing. So you can see that here, and also from here we can share and download. I stopped this thing here again, but you can see how nicely this really works. Of course, like always with cloud solutions, I highly recommend to be careful, because we never know where all the stuff is stored and who has access to it. So whenever you have files which you cannot afford to lose, make copies, make local copies on PC, external hard disk drives, use different cloud solutions. And when you have very sensitive data like personal stuff like keys, password, these things, make sure that you use 256 bytes encryption. That's highly recommended, and so you don't have to be worried where your stuff is stored and who has potentially access to it. There is no absolute 100% secured cloud service, no matter if you're using Google or Apple or even Amazon Web Services, doesn't matter. Just take these two precautions and you will be safe. So I can highly recommend to use this thing. I'm using this since many months and I'm super happy with it, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.